All right, today we're gonna bring a small chandelier, crystal chandelier, beautiful lighting that's gonna reflect a bunch of light all around the area. In case something comes damaged, they also include extra crystals here, so you don't have to call them in or replace it. So just in case, but this one did not come damaged. It came out very well secure. In fact, they give you all the everything that's needed, and it's only a very simple connection. You have your ground, your hot, and your neutral. That's pretty much what you got. You connect. All right, so today we're gonna set it up and we're gonna see how much light we can get out of this. And this is a basic light bulb, all right? It's a larger light bulb you're gonna need to install. We're gonna set it up first prior to even setting up on the ceiling, because all right, let's take a look at the actual crystal light in here. Beautiful, outstanding. It took me about 10 minutes to set up. You can see all the crystals everywhere. Beautiful light. Now, you can set up your own soft light if you want, up to 60 watts. It's optional. Now, I could actually extend this even longer. There's plenty of slack in here, so you could have it as long as you want or as short as you want. All the crystals are intact. None of them are broken. Very simple to replace them too. They do give you extra ones. You can see the beautiful light atmosphere everywhere. Beautiful. This will look good on a dining table, on an entrance, pretty much anywhere you want to set it up. It's not outdoor graded. It's for indoors only. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.